afternoon, children. In the last class, we already discussed about the ascending order and descending order. How is writing the numbers in ascending order and in the descending order, isn't it? That already learned. Then today I am going to take the shifting digits. What is that? Shifting digits. Shifting digits means exchanging the places, exchanging the digits. Okay, we can look at here, children. Shifting digits. Shifting digits means exchanging the digits. Look here, the number is 235. 235. If we exchange the digits, second and fifth place. First and third place, not second and fifth, sorry. First and third place. First and third place. Third digits exchanging. Third digits exchange. Look here, children. In 235, this is a 3-digit number. In this 3-digit number, in the ones place 5, tens place 3, and hundreds place 2. Here, telling first and third digit. First digit means 2. Third digit means 5. These two digits are exchanging. So, when we exchange these two digits, the number will become, this 235 becomes, in the place of 2, that will exchange 5. So, in the place of 2, that is 5 and 3, okay. And in the place of 5, 2. So, this 235 becomes 532. 235 becomes 532. And second, in the example, 4865. In this, second and fourth place exchange digits. Second and fourth digits exchange. So, second and fourth digits means the second digits is 8 and fourth digit is 5. So, this 8 becomes 5 and 5 becomes 8. So, the number will become 4568. In the place of 8, that becomes 5, and in the place of 5, that is 8. So, this 4865 became 4568. That is shifting digits or exchanging digits. Then next, introducing 1000. Next one, 10,000. Introducing 10,000. Okay, children, 10,000. 10,000 means that is a 5-digit number. That is a 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a 5-digit number. In this 5-digit number, that is a 10,000. In that 10,000, how many zeros are there, children? 4 zeros are in the 5-digit number. 4 zeros are there. In introducing 10,000, look here, children. What is the greatest 1-digit number, children? The greatest 1-digit number is 9, isn't it? If we add 1 with this greatest 1-digit number, then we will get its smallest 2-digit number. When we add 1 with the greatest 2-digit number, then we will get its smallest 3-digit number. And if we add 1 with the greatest 3-digit number, then we will get it smallest 4-digit number. Look here, greatest 1-digit number, greatest 1-digit number, that is 9. And if we add 1 with this 9, then we will get it the number 10. That is the smallest 2-digit number. That is smallest 2-digit number. And when we greatest 2-digit number, greatest 2-digit number, That is, what is greatest two-digit number, children? That is 99, isn't it? 99. And if we add with 1 plus 99, so we will get the smallest three-digit number. That is smallest three-digit number. And next, greatest three-digit number. Greatest three-digit number. Then what is greatest three-digit number, children? That is three-digit number. Greatest three-digit number means 3 nines. That is 999. 999. If we add with 1 with this 909, then we will get it 1000. Smallest four-digit number. Smallest four-digit number. Then next, greatest four-digit number. Greatest four-digit number. Which one is the greatest four-digit number, children? Greatest four-digit number, that is 4 nines. What is that? 9,999. 9,999. If we add with this 9,901, so then we will get it 9,999 plus 1. Then that is next digit, that is 10,000. 9,000 plus 999 plus 1, that is 10,000. That is 10,000. If we add the 1 with the greatest four-digit number, 9,999 plus 1, that is 10,000. So in 10,000, 5 digits are there and 4 zeros in the 10,000. Okay. The next one is 10,000. How many thousands in 10,000, children? How many thousands in 10,000? 10 thousands. 10 thousands in 10,000. Yes. How many thousands in 10,000? How many thousands in 10,000? How many thousands in 10,000? 10 thousands in 10 thousands. 10 thousands in 10 thousands. Okay, then next one is revisiting place value. Next is revisiting place value. Already you know the place value, isn't it? What are the value of the digits? What are the places of the digits? 586. In this 586, 6 ones, 8 tens, 5 hundreds. 6 ones, 8 tens and 5 hundreds. And 4,825. This 4,800s, 2 tens and 5 ones. So how is expanding this, or how is writing this number? This number 586. The number name is 586, and expanding, how is place value? What is the place value? The number name is 586. 586. And here 4,000, the number name 4,825, that is number name, and places 586, that means 500 plus 8 tens, 80 plus 6. 500 plus 80 plus 6. And 4,825 is 4,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 5. That is the place value of the digits. Okay, the next one is expanding numbers. Expansion of digits. expansion of numbers. Expansion of numbers. Look here. 9,865. Look at children. How many thousands here? 9 thousands. How many hundreds? 8 hundreds. How many tens? 6 tens. How many ones? 5 ones. So we can write it expanding form. 9 into 1000. How many thousands here? 9. 9 into 1000. Then what is next step? 100. 8 into 100 plus 6. How many tens here? 6. 6 into 10 plus 5. That is the expanding form of this number. That means 9,000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 5. The next one is number 1. Number 2. 23,486. 23,486. Then how many thousands here? How many thousands here? Here 23,000. So ones, tens, hundred, tens, 10,000. So 10,000. How many 10,000s here? 2 10,000. 2 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000 plus 4 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 6 into 1. So that is 6. Okay, the 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 6. Okay, this one is the expansion of numbers. Okay, that is enough. Then we can take it tomorrow. Then I will give you homework. Homework. Writing figures. Writing figures. Writing figures. 8,000, 9,200, 8,000. 8,000. Number 2. 9,200. 9,200. Number 3. 6,400. 6,400. 13,000. 13,000. Then write from 6,000 to 6,001. Write from 6,000 to 6,100. Okay. There is sitting place value. No need to, okay, 1 minute children, no need to write this one. No need to write that one. You have to write it, writing figures. And next one, expansion. Expansion children. Expanding form. Writing expanding form. That is 5,640. 5,640. Then to 8,520 to 8,520, 3,150. Okay, 3,150. write in figures and expanding form. Okay. Okay, bye children.